guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, let's just get into the video. As you can see by the title, today's video is all about how to do winged eyeliner for hooded eyes. And trust me, if you have hooded eyes, I know the struggle and helps you guys out, and you can cut a bitch and you can slay a bitch and you can be a bitch, okay? It's 2020. So to create the wing liner, we're going to be using Hank & Henry's liquid liner in Blickity Black. I start off by applying a thin line across my lash line. I don't go all the way across. I only go about halfway. For the actual point of the wing, I make a little dot and drag it back down toward the lash line to create the first line. Now we're going to be creating that triangle at the outer corner. Okay, so we already created one side of the triangle. The second side of the triangle is now being created and going just where your eyelid folds. So you're not going to your actual lid, but just where it starts to fold. Then what you're going to do is drag that line straight down to your lash line. You'll see it a little easier by what I'm doing more than what I'm saying. But you're filling that in, but keeping that little break in it that makes it look like a triangle. Because if you were to try and make that a solid line that flows all the way down with no little lip or break in it, then what's going to happen is when you look forward, the wing's not going to look like a straight line going up. It's going to look jagged or broken. Now this is where I start to even out both wings and I lengthen it a little bit. This part is just all about stopping and pulling the mirror back, looking forward at yourself and seeing where your eye folds and how much of the wing it's hiding, and just going back and adding a little more and a little more until it's perfect. Once I'm happy with it, really the next part is just mascara and lashes. If you were to do lashes, I didn't today, I just did mascara. This is Loreal Unlimited Mascara. I actually love this mascara. It doesn't transfer on me, it doesn't flake, and it's really great in lengthening and volumizing, so not bad, not bad, not too shabby. So yeah, that's it. I hope that really helped you guys out and helped you learn how to create winged liner for hooded eyes. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I upload once weekly on Fridays, so you can always catch me right before the weekend. Follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter. I have everything listed down below. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.